Hi beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am show you how to delete contact on Samsung Galaxy S24. You can follow this method step by step. You can completely delete contacts with phone. So let's get started. First, swipe the home page to open the App Store, where you can find the phone app and open it. After the app is open, you can go to the Contacts tab. In the tab, you can find the person. If you delete it, open it. After that, you can click on the I info button. Inside the page, choose the More option. Here you can see various options available there. Find and tap on Delete. Then confirm it, and you are happy successfully delete contact on your phone. Thanks for watching.